Welcome to this first tutorial on the use of Mea-familia. Today we are going to discover the basics of Mea-familia. Once connected, you have access to a retractable menu. Click on the three bars at the top left. The retractable menu appears. This menu lists all the modules of Mea-familia such as My Real Estate, To hide the retractable menu, click on the arrow. Now let's see how to navigate in a module. Each module includes two views, a list view, and a detailed view. Let's see this in detail with the module, Members of My Family. Click on the retractable menu and choose the module, Members of My Family. You access the list view of your family members. To add a member, click on the plus at the top right. You access the detailed view. Complete it. Click the button, Save, to create the member. Click the gray button, Go back to the list of the members of my family, to go back to the list view. To access the detailed view of a member, just click on his name in the list view. To print the detailed view of a member, click on the printer at the top right of his detailed view. To delete a member, click on his name, scroll down to the bottom of his detailed view and click on the button, Delete. Confirm the deletion. The member is deleted, and you go back to the list view. We have just seen how the module Members of My Family works. All modules work the same way. So it's up to you. See you soon.